Good afternoon, everybody. It is January the 9th, 2019, and it is 1:05. Got a few here, nothing major, okay? 4.0 off the shore of Mexico at 35 miles in depth. 4.3 Papua New Guinea at 6.2 miles in depth. That was on the BMKG and the EMSC. There was a 4.9 off the shore of Zimbabwe at 16 miles in depth. That was on the USGS and the EMSC and the BMKG. There was a 4.7 Papua New Guinea again at 6.2 miles in depth. That was on the BMKG and the EMSC. There was a 4.4, 34 miles in depth, and that was at Alaska Peninsula. There was a 4.9 Bismarck Sea. See, that's a new one at 12 miles in depth. I've not seen the Bismarck Sea appear before. There was a 4.9 Alaska Peninsula at 42 miles in depth. There was a 4.3 Central Afghanistan at 47 miles in depth. There was a 4.0 Southern Peru at 7 miles in depth. These were all on the EMSC. There was a 3.6 Peru at 9 miles in depth. And then the Bismarck Sea got another one at a 4.8 at 6.2 miles in depth. All right, guys, that's all I have. God bless. Be safe. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are awesome.